Hi, I want to talk to you about these Work Pro 5-inch sanding pads. When I purchased them, I'm doing a variety of different crafts, and I never know what size grid of paper that I want. And so with this, I was able to get several different sizes from 60 all the way up to 400. And then so now I can change them as I'm going. I have a DeWalt 5-inch hook and loop sander, and these work perfectly on here. They will just grip right on there, fit perfectly, and now I don't have to worry about them flying off. And then when I need to change them, I just pull them off and add a new one. This is great. This is perfect. This is exactly what I needed. A variety of grid sizes and easy to use. I don't need a tremendous amount of each one. There's a total of 80 pads and you get 10 per grid size. They will work well if you're looking for something to give you a variety of pads at a very economical price. This really saves me from having to go out and buy a whole box for each grid size and not knowing exactly what I need.